just received this Masco ME-8 amplifier in the shuttle bay this morning, delivered by the Red Rocket Express. Let's pop the hatch and see what's going on. Bottom side inspection of the Masco ME-8. You can see she is loaded with the old filter caps from the Red Planet. Those all need to come out. The other thing I noticed is this resistor looks nice and new. It's a 56 ohm resistor. According to the schematic, that should be a 4700 ohm resistor. So that guy needs to be changed. Before I go any further, I'm going to change the main filter caps and that resistor, and then we'll attempt to power up. Alright, here's a note if you're going to be replacing these electrolytic capacitors. You see this 10 microfarad cap here with a positive going up to the tone control. If you look at the other side of that, it goes to pin 5 of the 6L6 and you see negative 7.5 volts. So it got me wondering, are they really showing C4 oriented correctly on the schematic? Let's take a look. Well, there is C4. And you can clearly see the negative side goes to the tone pot. Positive side is ground. Make sure that you install this cap correctly or you're going to lose negative bias on the 6L6 and it's going to go warp drive. This is the initial test of the Masco ME-8 after replacement of just the electrolytic capacitors. So I want to make sure that this amp actually works before I go too much further. But we're also going to be monitoring that negative voltage going to pin 5 of the 6L6. The schematic that I have shows only negative 7.5 volts, and I think that's way low to bias the 6L6. So we're going to monitor that. The other thing that I noted, when I went to put in the 6L6 tube, it just fell in the socket. The pins are badly corroded and pitted. The socket is wore out. So I reformed the contacts just for this test, but I will be replacing that socket. Alright, I'm going to plug this thing in. I've already bumped it on my Variac to make sure there's no shorts. Here we go. See your meter doing its thing. Alright, here comes the negative voltage. See, we're already over negative 21 volts. So that's a good thing. Do we have any output? Oh yeah. Alright, so the amplifier is working. I'm going to power it down, change that tube socket, and continue with the recapping of the Masco. The Masco ME-8 is complete. Customer asked that I install a standard 1/4" mic input jack. Of course, I replaced that 6L6 tube socket with a nice old stock cinch. So it went in there just like it was made for it. Bottom side, we have new filter caps, coupling caps, and resistors that were out of tolerance have been changed. Let me take you around the back real quick. So this amplifier came stock with this strange 6-pin octal type connector for your speaker connection, and that plug is very hard to locate, so the owner asked me to install a 1/4" speaker jack, which I've done on the back, and there is a switch to select either 4 or 8 ohm operation. Here's a test run of the Masco ME-8 using my EH360 looper. Here's the tone. I'm sure the owner's going to love it.